Hi, this is Student P, and this is lesson 688. The title of today's lesson is the difference between debanked and unbanked. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot, do it right now. Let's get right to it. If a bank has debanked a customer, it means the bank has decided to close the account of someone or deprive a particular customer or company of banking services. It could be for some justifiable reasons, such as illegal activity of like money laundering, money suspected for terrorism, illegal arms, drugs, etc. However, some have recently been done for political reasons or views. So it's strange because in the past, a lot of times banks were more accused of looking the other way with illegal activity if they can make money. But nowadays, we more often hear about this for political views, which kind of doesn't make sense. If the banks are mostly interested in making money, why are they doing it for politics? Who's pressuring them to do that? All right, let's continue. Number two, so a second meaning for debanked is this. In the crypto world, the bank can refer to someone trying to purposely give up their banking services and going almost 100% crypto. Not an easy thing to do because a lot of times they want to get the cash out from crypto too. Number three, or to stop operating as a bank. So some organizations who used to be banked or was, a small percentage of banks, sometimes they decide to give it up and get out of banking completely. All right, the term debank comes from the sense of deplatform. When a website will stop someone from using their platform, often also for political reasons or some views that they don't like, or they say that they're not nice or something like that, and they say you can't use this platform anymore. So they deplatform them in the same way a bank could say they will debank someone. Let's continue. Now, unbanked is much more simple. We just have one real definition. Not served by a bank. So somebody has zero bank accounts, no bank accounts at all. An unbanked person has no bank accounts. And we got 7 examples here to show just how it's used. Here's the first one. He was debanked due to suspicion of money laundering. This could be for illegal activity. Number 2, NatWest, that's the name of a bank. NatWest recently debanked Nigel Farage for his political views. So this is an example of the way we're hearing it a lot these days of a bank stopping someone's banking services or choosing them as a customer because they just don't like their political views or things that they say. Number 3, that organization decided to debank several of their locations and turn them into other types of investment businesses. Well, this could be, again, a company that was probably only a certain percentage or a small percentage into banking, and maybe they think it's just too much trouble. Let's just give up the banking services. We won't have any banks anymore. We'll just have an organization that does other things. Let's continue. Number 4, some strong believers in cryptocurrency hope to one day debank themselves. Okay. Number 5, according to statistics, Morocco has the highest percentage of unbanked citizens at 71%. So even in our modern world today, Morocco, 71% of their citizens have no banks at all. Zero. Number 6 here, countries such as Vietnam, Egypt, the Philippines, Mexico, and Nigeria have over 60% of their population as unbanked. So it's still common that there could be a lot of countries that don't have any customers with a banking account. All right. And number 7, many Scandinavian countries of Norway, Sweden, Finland, Denmark, etc. have some of the lowest levels of unbanked citizens, close to zero. So I think the percentage is less than 1% in these countries. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.